Hello friends, today we are going to tell you about how to remove copyright claim from your video in just 56 seconds only by following one simple step-by-step procedure. So let's see. Step 1. Go to Google Chrome. Step 2. Type youtube.com. Step 3. Click on three dots above your channel icon. Now the fourth step is to click the third last option, that is desktop site. Step 5. Click on your channel icon. Step 6. Click on your channel. Step 7. Click customize channel. Step 8. Click content icon. Step 9. Video on which there is a copyright claim. Step 10. Click on copyright claim. Step 11. Click on see details. Then here three dots are available. Click on these three dots. Then you can choose out of three options: trim out segment, replace song, mute song. So here I would like to replace the song. Now after that one window will appear here, and here are various songs. You can choose any one of them. Click here for example. Now click on the add button, and after clicking add, on the top right corner there is save button. Click on save button. Bye bye, goodbye, tata, okay, see you, take care.